Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor and the face unlock works on this smartphone. So we are going to make the comparison, which one is better, which one is faster, maybe it will look the same. So just take a look. But in most videos that I made, the face unlock is faster than the fingerprint sensor. So we're going to see how it works. So at the first, let's make a few unlocks with fingerprint sensor. So as you can see, it's really fast. Okay, nice. It works really good. Right now, let's take a look how it will be looks when we try to use the face unlock. Wow, this one is even faster. Wow, this smartphone is really cool. So the fingerprint and the face unlock, two good points for this smartphone. So definitely, if you are looking for the smartphone that can unlock very fast, it will be really good device. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.